Hey folks, this is Basant here and welcome back in this channel. Today's video I'm going to review a tool with the help of you can turn your videos, whether it's your own or it's someone else, into the SEO optimized blog post. So let me show you off the demo here. So this is the VideoToBlog and you have to just paste the link, and you can also create an automation, and whenever you are going to publish a video here, it will just create the blog post here. So for example, you can see this is the video and it is automated, means it is automatically turned into the blog post, and not only turned into the blog post, it is automatically drafted on my WordPress site. You can see it here. Okay, so let me show you how this platform look like. Simply click here on the create a blog post, and here you have to just paste the link. So I'm going to just copy any of my videos link here, get back to the platform, paste the link here. You can also upload the video, click here on the create a blog post. So here from you can choose the words length. So I will go with the medium, the premium transcription. I will enable this one, or you can also add the speaker labels if you want. If you have the multiple speakers in your video and you want to add them in your article, you can do it from here. Now you want to add a feature image, so I will go with the embed video, add the screenshot, then we have the internal links. Okay, so here I can add the internal link, same way I can add the external links, link from the video description. So I will go with the link from the video description here. Then here's we come the writing style. I can select the writing style, I can control here. Okay, so I will go with the add FAQs, add chapters as the outline, and add CTA here. So in the CTA you have to add the link information. Okay, now we have the SEO. So here in the SEO you have to add the primary keyword here. So your primary keyword, something like your seed keyword on which you want to rank out. Okay, so that's how we have just managed everything. Let's click here on the create blog post. Okay, and now it will start doing its magic. It will take some time, around the 1 minute, 2, 3 or 4 minutes, depends on the how longer your video is, and now it will start working out. So I already just turned this video into the article here. So you can see this is the video for the jog.ai. okay, so let me go to the dashboard here, and you can see this is the video I am talking about. Let me see marquee mini course. This is a generate article, YouTube into scripts, beyond create, perfect. Okay, this video is not done, so it will start generating out. So we have to wait a little bit until the process is done here. Okay, and after that I will show you the layout. Okay, why wait? I will show you the layout, how the things work out in the SEO optimized with the any other video here. You can see this is the video recently I have just published on my channel. You can see this is the video I'm talking about, mini course generator review. By the way, the tool is really magical. It's automatically turn your topics into the courses with the help of AI. Okay, so this is the video, and if I open this one, you will be amazed because I have a really good layout, the images, the links, the FAQ section, everything. So you can see, first of all, this is my title, this is the embed video, and here you can see the introduction, this is the outline. Okay, and this is the, you can basically see the layout here. So let me go to the end here, and now you can see this is the FAQ section. Okay, and here's the ending. So this is how this tool works. It's really good here, and one of the best part, right now it's available on the AppSumo Lifetime Deal. You can see starting from just $59 you can get this amazing tool for you. And even if you don't have your own YouTube channel but use someone else videos, and no problem here. Okay, so if I go to the plans and features, you can see in this single plan you can just generate up to 10 videos or turn them into the articles here. Okay, then we have this option is not available, that is the email promotions. So I will talk about this thing. Okay, then we have this all the features available. Okay, so let's back to the platform here. If you want to check out the deal, the link will be in the description, plus I am also giving out my free bonus, and make sure you check them out. So let's back to the here, let's open again this article that I have just got from the video. Okay, and now I will show you something that going to just blow your mind here. Okay, so I have just created the video. When I click here on this icon, you can see I have the metadata already created. Okay, metadata already created. Then we have the tags, feature, promotion. So in the promotion you can see I have the ready Instagram post, I have the ready Facebook post, X post, LinkedIn post, WhatsApp, email promotion. So this is the thing you are also going to get here. Okay, so let's back here, and now I will go on the automations. Okay, So in the automations, I can create this automation where every time I create a video or publish a video, it's automatically going to turn them into the articles and then draft in my WordPress site. So let me click here on the add automation. First it is going to ask me the channel name, so I will add the channel URL here. So simply copy the link, add here. Okay, it is asking, telling me invalid. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you need the full channel link. Okay, now let's click here on the next, and now you can see send me an email whenever the post is ready with the formats. Okay, link send me to the website. Okay, and now you can see we have the options available, whether you want to publish on the wordpress.org or the Medium. So I have already connected with my WordPress site, so simply click here and click on the next, and now here you have to just do the configuration that I have showed you while in the starting of the video, and now your automation is done here. Okay, so that's all. In the settings you will find a few more things like connecting your YouTube channel or these platforms as well. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about this lifetime deal is back again on the AppSumo, and it is only going to last for the few days. You can see there's the countdown timer is running on, so make sure you get it before it's leave the AppSumo. So that's all for today's video, and currently AppSumo sale is running on, or in this sale you can get all the tools with the 10% extra discount, and if you have the AppSumo Plus membership you will get this much more plus 10% extra discount. So 10 plus 10, it will be something like the 19 or the 20% extra discount here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the SaaS tools, softwares and AI tools. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the